What's up guys, Atan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 free apps that you can download and make money with fast. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, before we get started, I still do have my #1 recommendation for how to make money online, and you can find that link in the description below. But since it can take you a while to get started with it, this is definitely a perfect way to make some extra money and make them fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at 4 sites actually here that you can download these free apps for and make some money. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So the first site that we are going to have a look at is smartpanel.io. Smartpanel.io. And how this site works is that you sign up. You need to take a qualifying questionnaire to find out if you qualify for the Smart Panel. It takes a few minutes, as it said here. Once you completed the questionnaire, you'll be notified whether you qualify. After that, you will have to install the Smart app here, as you can see, and to earn the rewards it must be installed, of course, at least one device per category. So you can actually have it on the PC, on a tablet and a smartphone as well. Now the cool thing here is actually you get paid $5 just for qualifying. You don't have to do anything else. And you also get $5 for every installed month after that, and a loyalty bonus every 3 months. So if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see here you get the monthly rewards and you also get the loyalty rewards. So you can actually make like $100 for having it in 12 months and $200 in 24. So this is really cool. And yeah, I think let's have a look at the FAQ here. You can, of course, you will have a look at it at your own pace. This will not drain your battery. It works on both Android and iOS. And the rest you can have a look at it at your own pace here for the details. I definitely recommend that you should always have a look at it before you sign up to any of these sites. So that is about smartpanel.io. Now, the second site we're going to have a look at is appkarma.io. Appkarma. And basically you earn rewards here by playing with apps. It's free, of course. And you can see here you get paid via PayPal and Amazon gift cards. So complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Both iOS and Android users it is available for those two. And just by installing it you get 300 points, really nice. Also, another way that you can make money with this site is actually that you get referral rewards. So you see here, you earn 30% of what your referral earns. Now, if you're a YouTuber and you have over thousands of views within a week, you can upgrade to VIP, which makes you much more money. Definitely, you will have another option here. And you can have a look here. You just play. Karma Plays lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps. So basically you're playing with these apps and you get rewarded for it. So if we have a look at the FAQ here, also read this first. It lets you earn PayPal cash and gift cards when you complete offers, play with apps, watch videos, invite friends, etc. So you see there is a few more opportunities in here as well. And the rest you can, of course, have a look at it at your own pace, how it works in detail. The third site that we are going to have a look at doesn't actually have a site. I just stumbled up on it accidentally by searching on my iPhone. So neither if you go to Android or to your App Store and you type make money, this app will appear. You earn real money by completing simple tasks with the app, easily make money by completing surveys, giving opinions and testing services. So you need to follow the instructions, of course, set in each tasks, usually checking for a product or service or giving your opinions and answering some questions. And you see here how it works. You redeem your credit rewards for cash via PayPal. So has pretty good reviews also. Really easy. Just download and install it and get started with it. Okay, site number 4 is earnwithdrop.com. And you earn cash rewards from your favorite brands. Drop is the free app that giving you out millions in cash rewards for the spending you do every day. So basically, you swipe, tan and scan if you have a debit or credit card. Let's have a look at it here. You link your debit and credit cards. Okay, you shop at your favorite places and you get cash rewards. Here are some testimonials. So this is a pretty popular site. And if you want to scroll down at the bottom here, you can have a look at the FAQ, of course, if there is whatever it is. So what is Drop, who can join, and how much does it cost to join? It doesn't cost you anything. You can see here it's free to join. And yeah, it's the first. Basically, you can have a look at it at your own pace here. There's no need for me to read through it here, but have a look at it, of course, as always. So I just came up with a similar site. So this is a bonus site. So we could actually make it 5 apps here, 5 free apps. It is Dosh Cash. Let me see here. There you have it. DOSH.CASH. I'm sorry. So Dosh.cash. Okay. And it works pretty similar with the Drop here. So you connect your card, you shop and dine out, and you can also get paid to refer. So here you refer your friends and you get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card. And of course you can transfer your card here, your cash to bank accounts, PayPal, or donate to charity from the app here. Okay, there you have it. 4 free apps plus 1 bonus. Should actually be 5 free apps then to make easy money with fast. Now, if you like this video, I do appreciate if you hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on how to make money online and much more on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And most importantly, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.